What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Nobara's death from Shibuya incident. Death question mark? Who knows? Not me. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So, start with our eye. Center point to my page about here. Come up, and we start with those big eyelash lines, right? So we got like a curved line there. And then another one that comes across the top. Down. Very slanted down sort of eyes, right? Now you want to thicken these two lines up, so you want to add like an extra sort of, what would you call, weight to them. Right, so like heavy dark eyelash lines in anime is the norm. Right, and she actually has some eyelashes sticking up as well. 1, 2, 3, and a fourth. So her bottom eyelash line, down and up here, and she's little eyelashes sticking off here as well. So round iris. So relatively, it's inside. And she's got a piece of hair that comes down this way. So we'll go circular as we can get it. And then her pupil pretty much in the middle. Like so. She's got an eyelid line on top. Like so. And then her eyebrow. Pretty skinny. Back that way. And you just need to add a section that you can like color in. Color a little bit of brown in there. So her other eye, just across the other side. And then coming across, down, spiky these. We'll just sort of thicken these up. Thicken this one up as well. Gets a bit skinnier as I go back. And then she has eyelashes sticking up here. And then her bottom eyelid line just curves around this way. And they put some eyelashes sticking off here as well. Can't see her eyebrow on this one. We'll go just a big circular iris line. And then her pupil. As centered as you can get it. Like so. Quite tricky to get that bang in the middle, of course. Right, and then eyelid line goes across that way, goes underneath her hair. We can just see like a little bit of her eyebrow just starting there. And then her nose line. So all they draw in for her nose is like that, and then a nostril there. They don't draw in the bridge of her nose or anything. So she's got a bit of a smile on her face, and it's two sort of broken lines. So say like underneath this one, you have like the small line, and then the longer one just comes across there. Maybe it goes a bit farther. It's like underneath the inside of her eye, maybe. Like that. I mean, it's like it ends just here. So I'll just make it a bit thinner. I think it went a bit heavy. And then her bottom lip line there. And then her chin, relatively pointy chin. Like so. So jaw. Off that side. A bit of a sharper angle on this side. Right, so about mouth level. So see, we're sort of a little bit in 3/4, so the jaw is like a little bit closer to the mouth on this side than this side. Goes up there. And this one will go up that way. Her hair comes down on this side, but we can see the ear here. So we just got her earlobe. And then a hairline for her sideburn, and then the ear just comes out from there. Ear lines inside. Easiest way to get started is a letter J, squiggly sort of. And then you can add more to that if you want. So her hair, right, we've got this part in her hair just here, so like a little V just above her eyebrow here. It's about the same size as her nose, so like the bridge of your nose, say here, to the top of that V is about the same. So see that? About the same size. And then this sort of piece of hair that comes down across her eye. Like that. And then this down there. It's combed over this way then. Across that eyebrow. And then we have a piece that comes vertical. Down there. So short bob cut, haircut. So it's spikes all down here. Then a thin one, and it just goes back up like this, and this then disappears in behind her neck, right? So say here. And then the other side, very similar. And this comes up around, so we'll go here. Kind of just bumps around then, joins the other side. And then we've got like texture lines on our hair. That, and then some more there. I'm not forgetting about all the stuff on her face. We're just going to get the main parts in. the corrupted sort of veins and things. Her collar just here. She's got like a white part of her collar first, and then the black part. She's got a button here. And the shoulder out and down like that. Thin shoulders on female characters, not as wide as male. And boom. Right, so then they have all these veins and hatching marks on her face where she was touched. So just start adding these. They're done in actual red, but we gotta draw them in black or pencil. But if you have a red pencil or anything, you could go for that if you wanted. Sort of like these tree branch kind of shapes. And you just keep adding them until you're happy with how it looks. Yeah, and then they do little sort of hatching lines in between then. And it's got like pink hues and stuff, so little neckline there. So, Nobara, death scene, or is it? Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.